Okay, sir.
So this is the profit per item, quantity sold, total sales, as total amount made from the sales should be profit per item times quantity sold. You see that that's this amount, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Another way of doing that is to say, to use this method used here. Another way of doing that is to say quantity sold times amount times price, sorry, quantity sold times price minus unit cost times quantity sold. Hope you know to give the same thing.
Yes, well, that one is more complex.
It's more complex. Okay. All right. But that's what is used here, because
Yeah.
we want to use a direct formula.
Yeah, so direct.
We want to use a direct formula. So we can still use this formula somehow. Let's attempt that. Can say equals the profit per item is the price minus unit costs, you close your brackets, times what? Quantity. You still give the same thing. Okay? We give the same results. So let's use that. Equals, hope you know that's similar to what we did here.
Yes.
The price, selling price minus unit costs, you close your brackets, times quantity. Okay. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are looking at goal seek. The topic we are considering now is goal seek. Goal seek is a way of achieving an objective by changing the value of a particular variable. For example, let's say the objective of the business is to make a profit of 10 million. Not 7 million or 7.1 million. Okay. Now let me ask you, how can that be realized?
Have to we have to increase the price of some of the quantity. Like not all the quantity will be sold for 5,000.
Okay, some will be higher than that.
Yes. Can say some will be sold for 5.5, some 5.3, some 5.6.
Okay.
Just to achieve that.
To achieve that goal. To achieve that goal, right?
Yes, to achieve it.
Okay. Now, tell me, do you think there might be any disadvantage when that is done? Is there can there be a disadvantage to doing that?
Everything that has advantage always has disadvantage. So
Okay, so in this case, what do you think? What do you think?
Since the price is not is except we just increase it a bit, like maybe sell it for 5.2, everything's 5.2, so or 5.3 to see if we can achieve that height. So, but because if we are selling some higher and some lower, so the customers might not be happy because, for instance, the review you get, some might say, I bought it for this price.
Yes.
The product was nice. The other person say, I bought it for this price, or how come there is discrepancy on the same product? So it
Okay.
might affect
Your
subsequent
reputation.
sales and all that.
Yes. So, which means that's not very safe. It's
No, it's
risky.
not safe. So what
Okay.
we can
So, how
do,
else can we achieve that goal?
maybe we just increase everything, like maybe add 100 naira to it or 200 to it to top it up. If you are selling 5.2, we just sell for 5.2 for all the products. So
Okay. Okay. Uh, Thanks for that valuable contribution. But let me ask you this. You know, there are some products, there are products that have elastic demand. I don't know if you remember or know about elasticity. Some products are elastic in demand. Some are inelastic. Can we always increase price? For example, if you have very strong competitors, okay, and they are charging the same thing you are charging or even less, is there a risk to increasing the price?
yes, there's a risk
Very
because
risky.
yes, the demand will go down. Like
Yes.
there'll be decline in the demand.
So what do you think is the safest thing to do? To try to increase quantity,
Oh yes.
find a way to see if you can get more sales. Can get more sales. Come up with strategies of doing that to get more sales. Of course, there are other costs that we have cut off now for simplicity, okay? Because we are getting
Yeah,
more sales, we might spend more on marketing, for example. So that way, give you
yeah.
some costs. But let's not go into that. Let's just, what we are concerned about is how do we achieve this by changing something? It's either you change sales or you change price.
I
So
think the to change it says is better.
yeah, so to change quantity is safer
Yes.
if you can achieve it. Okay. All right. So now what we are going to do is we already know our objective. Okay. Our objective is to have a profit of this. So we want to see how much sales must we make, all that things being equal, all of that things being equal. How much sales must we make to achieve this 10 million? So we want to change this. Our objective is to make this one 10 million by changing sales. This is the kind of thing you do with goal seek. Okay. Hope you understand the problem we are trying to solve. So how do we do it? How do we implement
Yes.
goal seek? Moses, I hope you are still hearing me.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So how do we do that? You just go to the data tab, click on data tab. You come to what if analysis. By the way, this under what if analysis. Okay. Go seek is under what if. analysis. It's a what if analysis tool. It's a what if analysis tool.
So is it what it or is it what if or what it?
What if?
It's
So?
if. So
What if? So it's a what if analysis tool. So you understand what the problem is. What problem are we trying to solve? We want, our objective is to earn a profit of 10 million by changing sales or by increasing sales. So how do we use what if analysis to do that? We can use goal seek to do that. To use goal seek, you just click on data tab, click on what if analysis, that pulls down the menu. You click on goal seek. So it's asking you a question. Set cell what? Is this cell we want to set? This one. We are setting this cell. Set it to what? We are setting it to what?
10 million.
Yes. By changing what?
The sales, quantity of sales.
Thank you. So you click on the sales here. Okay. So it's telling you, it has done its calculation. It's telling you that sales will have to be this. You click on OK. See, it has set this to 10 million. Sales is this. Since it's approximation, you just take the approximate, you approximate it. So the sales you have to achieve is 2817 in order to have this. So you have to find a way of increasing these sales. You know, in reality, your marketing will take some money. So you have to compute that, whatever the extra, and factor it in. So at the end of the day, maybe it should be 3,000 or 3,000 something that you need to. Do you understand? Yeah. So that's how what if analysis. Specifically, that's how goal seek works.
Yeah, this is still under Excel.
Yes, this Excel.
Mm.
Okay, what do you mean?
Scratch.
What do you mean still on? Yeah, this Excel. Yes. This advanced Excel now.
Okay.
This is not fundamentals of this is not basic Excel, it's advanced Excel. But I hope it's clear. Want me to repeat it?
It's clear to me.
It's
Yes.
clear. Just
Okay.
review it later.
Is that?
I said we'll just review it later. It's clear.
Okay. Yeah, so that's how to do your what if analysis. Okay. Yeah. Now you see the limitation is that you set one cell, you change one cell to realize your objective. Okay, no more than one cell. So later in this course, we'll look at how that limitation can be overcome. Okay. So by using another technique, we'll get to that. But for now, let's look at the final topic.